Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to add Fortnite to Steam. To start, open Steam. Here at the bottom, click on Add a Game. Click on Add a non-Steam game. After that, click Browse. In the pop-up window, you will go to the path you see on the screen where Fortnite has been installed. Select Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping, click on Open. After this, click on Add Selected Programs. In Steam, go to the Library section and you will find Fortnite available. Now right-click on the Fortnite application and select Properties. You can edit the name for easier access. When you do, select Fortnite. Click Play and you will wait for the environment to load. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. As you see, it is now possible to play in Fortnite. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.